morning there, YouTubers. It is now 9:30 time of the morning. We didn't get it all done yesterday because yesterday was sunny and the place got a little crowded. But you can see the third one from the end down there. That's the tent rocks that we went to yesterday. I don't know if you call that a mesa or what that is up there, but that's where we climbed to. Our phone said it was 2.5 miles. It felt like more like 10 after we got back. Anyway, so join us today. We'll have a good time, and we're going to take the cave trail today, and it's not crowded at all. Today's Monday, so this is a weekday's the time you want to come. It's not too hot. Actually, it's perfect. It's like 60 degrees, no humidity. It's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain here tonight, but should be an eventful day. Show you some of the sights, and we'll have a good time. Cave Loop Trail is 1.2 miles. Back around this way and back around this way and back here. We're here now. We'll come back to this area. 1.5 here, I guess it's about 2 miles altogether. I'm thinking. Hard to soul in here. Alright, should be fun. We'll check it out.
Oh, they do say, see, this one's easy. This one here, moderate to difficult. Oh. I would say it was more on the difficult side because you had to do some rock climbing.
And strenuous.
Yeah. And see, you went from 5570 to 6760. And it looks like it's not as long because it says it's a mile, but that going up was steep.
Plus the last 300 or 400 yards was pretty.
Yeah, exactly. So cool. Look at that rock right there. Yeah, that's amazing.
Look at that big one up there.
I know. Yeah, right there. It's amazing.
When the ground blew up with the volcano, then big rocks went flying.
Mm-hmm.
That rock's bigger than a car. Probably 2 or 3 cars. Big as a semi.
Oh, yeah.
As big as a semi. Wow.
I mean, you can see the rocks all out in there, too. Big ones. Big boulders. Yep, folks. This one right here is where we were at yesterday. That's where we hiked to.
Yeah, you can see them up there.
Uh-huh.
See them up there moving.
Mr. Eagle Eye.
Oh, yeah. Right there where that bird's at.
Uh-huh.
That's where we hiked to yesterday.
Whew.
It feels like it was a lot more than 2 miles.
Now, that's a long ways up.
Yeah. It's amazing. You can walk right up to the edge of it when you're up there.
Yeah.
There is no guardrail, folks. There is no guardrail. And that's what a lot of people don't realize. Why you hear about so many deaths in the Grand Canyon and these different places. And we seen it yesterday. People were out on these ledges taking selfies and stuff. And it's dangerous, guys. So be careful. So I don't know. No, I ain't gonna do it. My selfie will be with that back there.
That's right.
I'll be 10 feet away.
That's right.
Yeah.
And that's how we did our selfies yesterday, too.
Yeah, we were way back from the edge. I don't get up on the edge. I'm not going to do that.
I mean, one little slip and you're done. I got a lot more hiking to do before that's over. Look how gorgeous. Look at all the holes in it. Like cheese. Look at that. Is that not amazing? The earth is amazing.
Hey, you got an easy run on the way back after we visit the cave.
Yeah.
That trail goes down over there.
Easier to go downhill than uphill. Of course, they say it's worse for your knees.
Yeah, hard on the knees going downhill, especially if it's really steep. We found that out when we were in Glacier National Park, hiking the, what was that trail? Highline?
Oh, yeah.
Your favorite trail?
Oh, yeah.
Where Sharon was a bunny rabbit? I wish I could have videoed that.
Oh, you're so funny.
She's going, I gotta go. Out of sight. I thought she went over a cliff edge. Then she pops up, I'm okay.
Well, y'all, the trail was a little switchback coming uphill, and now we're going straight downhill. Trying to move it, folks. Is it heavy?
No.
It's not heavy. Pretty sweet. All right, cool. Yeah, this is what they look like up close. It's like concrete. Amazing.
This falls apart pretty easy. This stuff here is hard. Just a different world. Just unbelievable.
Yeah, this would be easy to carve. But look at this here. I mean, this is just rock. Look, y'all. There's a guy right. Oh, where is he? Right there. You see him on the end? Yep. Oh, there comes another one. Sweet. That's where we went to yesterday. Sure enough. Oh, there's some more people up here. Right along there. Yep. Wow. I can't believe we hiked that far yesterday. That is up there, folks. 1,000 foot. You would think that's not a lot, but it is. Especially when you're rock climbing. Yep, two guys standing on the end up there. That's a cool looking piece of driftwood now. Wow, look how the bark is just curved. That's amazing. It's so quiet today compared to yesterday. Now y'all know we came Saturday to do this, and there was an 1.5 hour wait to get in. We were like, no, we'll come back tomorrow. So yesterday we came and got here at 8:30, and we got in just fine. But there were a lot of folks here. But today, a handful of folks. In fact, we only seen 2 other people on the trail. That's amazing. But it's Monday, wonderful Monday. Yeah, a little overcast today, but that's okay. It's a great day for hiking. Great day for hiking.
Hi y'all. Man, I tell you, this is an awesome little spot here we just found. Hiking on the canyon or the cave trail. She's gonna do a 360 and show you. This is just awesome. And there's the cave back there. We just came from there.
Yeah, you can see it. It's right in there. Very cool.
When you get around here, just let your camera sit there for a minute towards the parking lot when you get around here. Because that is just, that's the tents right there. That's unbelievable. We go right through that down there.
That's pretty cool.
Look at just how they are. Just unbelievable. Just so unique. It's one of the coolest hikes and places I've ever been. I'd recommend it. It's a solid 10.
Oh, definitely.
And you stay right up the road for $6 a night or whatever you want, whatever amenities you want.
Well, dry camping. If you want electrical and hookup, though.
Well, we're dry camping. We got our generator.
Well, yeah.
It's really nice. It's paved.
Love it.
Concrete slab.
It's awesome.
Nice bathrooms.
Clean.
Couple miles.
All right.
Awesome, guys. Just
just awesome.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Those are the tents here at Tent Rock. Is that not amazing? That is amazing.
That point's amazing there too, where it comes down.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All the little rocks sitting up there. Just so many beautiful views. It's just unbelievable. One of the coolest places. It's so cool. I won't walk in front of it. I'll let you.
We highly recommend
Yeah, this is in our top 10 unique places
to see.
Yeah.
Definitely. There are pit toilets down here. There's like 3 of them in this area around the parking lots. There are several different parking lots here. And there's also, let's see here. There's also picnic tables and porta-johns. So this place gets pretty busy, folks. Pretty busy. Very nice little gym to check out. I went to this porta-john yesterday and they're very clean. Very clean. I was surprised because yesterday it was hot. Yeah, we didn't do the cave yesterday because we left Lily at the camper and we don't like to leave her when the temperature gets over 70 degrees. So we went back to the camper, and when we got back, it was great. It had only gotten up to 72 in the trailer. And the floor was still cool, so Miss Lily was fine.